The XRP crash has intensified, dropping 5.2% after JP Morgan launched a new institutional stablecoin. This XRP crash signals rising competition, threatening Ripple XRP's RLUSD market dominance. The XRP crash matters for investors fearing cascading effects across DeFi platforms. JP Morgan's move, backed by major US banks, could rapidly divert liquidity from Ripple XRP's ecosystem. XRP price fell to $2.31, dangerously close to the critical $2.30 support level. Analysts warn a break below $2.30 would trigger a further decline toward a $2 demand zone. This XRP crash and rising volatility might accelerate selling pressure, worsening current crypto bear sentiment. Historically, Ripple XRP has struggled against competitive pressure from large financial institutions. This deepens concerns about the ongoing XRP sell-off. Could this XRP crash foreshadow vulnerabilities in Ripple XRP's tokenomics or market sentiment? The derivatives market reflects these fears, with nearly $15 million in XRP liquidations, signaling bearish momentum. JP Morgan's entry is no ordinary stablecoin launch, but a strategic blow to Ripple XRP's institutional base. This new stablecoin's guaranteed liquidity contrasts Ripple XRP's niche RLUSD infrastructure, reshaping the XRP market dynamic. With JP Morgan's vast scale, the competitive stablecoin environment forces Ripple XRP into urgent strategic reassessment. Can Ripple XRP innovate quickly enough to defend its market share amid this XRP dip? Liquidity strains and deleveraging cycles amplify XRP volatility, worsening Ripple XRP's current situation. JP Morgan's resource mobilization tightens Ripple XRP's liquidity pools, heightening XRP price vulnerability during this XRP crash phase. Market adjustments and stablecoin competition underscore the fragile stance Ripple XRP endures amid this crypto bear market. Traders focusing on institutional crypto must watch closely how this liquidity squeeze shapes XRP's short-term trajectory ahead of any rebound. Meanwhile, Bitcoin records huge ETF inflows, attracting fresh capital and building strong bullish momentum. XRP appears caught in an adverse rotation as funds shift toward Bitcoin's perceived stability. This rotation pressures XRP price, amplifying declines and prolonging XRP volatility during this XRP dump. Contrasting Bitcoin's bullish rise, Ripple XRP faces intensified market and competitive headwinds, threatening XRP's recovery. XRP updates confirm $14.88 million in liquidations, underscoring strong bearish sentiment during this ongoing XRP crash. High liquidation volumes increase selling pressure, risking a downward spiral in XRP price after this XRP sell-off. Investors must monitor if XRP fails to hold the $2.30 support line amid this XRP dip. A decisive break will trigger stop-loss cascades, pushing XRP closer to critical lows, threatening the broader market during the XRP crash. Tactical traders should weigh these risks against Ripple XRP's tech developments and partnership potentials critical to XRP recovery. XRP analysis suggests the next moves hinge on Ripple XRP's innovation and strategic responsiveness amid this XRP crash. Share your predictions in comments to engage with the community on XRP's future direction and possible rebound. Liking this video helps spread real-time XRP updates amid shifting market structures during this XRP dip. Despite public silence, Ripple XRP executives are expected to respond strategically soon to counter the XRP crash. Their ability to upgrade RLUSD or secure new partnerships could redefine Ripple XRP's competitive edge and enable an XRP rebound. Ripple XRP's core technology remains strong. Scaling effectively, however, is essential in this institutional stablecoin race, intensified by the XRP crash. JP Morgan's aggressive stablecoin launch might accelerate the current XRP crash and downward momentum. This pivotal moment marks a critical chapter in Ripple XRP's evolution and stablecoin rivalry amid the XRP crash. XRP price declines after JP Morgan's announcement revealed deeper industry tensions and liquidity strains during this XRP dump. Derivative liquidations, shifting capital flows, and XRP volatility expose Ripple XRP to tough challenges in this ongoing XRP sell-off. Ripple XRP must act decisively to defend market share and reassure hesitant investors amid the XRP crash. Traders need to watch vital support levels near $2.30 that will dictate XRP's short-term recovery and potential rebound. As the XRP crash and broader crypto bear market continue, staying informed is key to navigating XRP's possible recovery. Subscribe and share for timely XRP updates on major crypto market shifts amid the XRP dip. The coming days will determine Ripple XRP's place in the evolving institutional stablecoin landscape after this XRP crash.